Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I'm going to be reviewing this another watch face for Galaxy Watch 4 and Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, and this one once again comes from the developer USA, and the name of this watch face is called Huge Simple. Now it is huge definitely because we get this digital time here. So we've got this big blocky numbers 4:32, that is the time right now, and it is simple because there is not much that it is showing on the watch face. It is very minimal, and then in the middle you can see that we have our date and day here, and at the bottom we get heart rate, steps, and at the top we get the battery life. Now even though the watch face is very minimal, there is some 3D effect going on in the numbers here because of the work of these shadows. So a lot of nice work has gone into designing this watch face, and I'm a big fan. Now let's go ahead and check what are the customization features of this watch face. So long press and go in customize. So we have background here, decoration, and complications. So let's go through these options one by one. So in background you can change the colors of the time. I think I like this one. So next up we have decoration. Let's see what's that all about. So now within the colors you can now add different styles and different effects. Okay, that's really cool actually. So you can choose any one of them. Okay, I'll go with this one. And then finally we've got complications. So you can add 4 different complications here. So if we go here, you have to allow for some permissions, and then you can add complications from this list, and you can then launch these complications. So there we go, we have customized our watch face into a completely new design. It looks beautiful, it looks simple, and it's actually really cool. I really like this one. And now let's take a look at how it appears in always on display version. We can see time in the background, and we can also see day and date here. So it's actually more visible in person as compared to what you can see on the camera. I will put the link for this watch face in the description so you can also check it out. And that's about it from this video guys. Let me know in the comments what you think of this watch face, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.